Hey Fake Bakers, I'm Jamie. I own Glam Candy Boutique on Etsy, and I'm also on TikTok as the Lollipop Lady, as well as on YouTube. I love whimsical Candyland decor. That is my most favorite, and I'm obsessed with lollipops, if you hadn't guessed that already. I love making gigantic lollipop sculptures, and these make great decor for a Christmas tree, or if you want to put them in a flower pot and just display them around, or if you want to incorporate them into bouquets or use them as wreath attachments, are really good for all of that. Super easy to make. So let's go ahead and get started. So these are just 4-inch styrofoam discs. You can get them, I got them on Amazon, but you can get them pretty much at any craft store. I just find them a little bit cheaper on Amazon or eBay. And I'm just painting with some acrylic paint. This acrylic paint was Apple Barrel, and it's a pink color from Walmart. And you just want to paint the front, the back, and the sides. Next, I'm just going to use a hot knife, and I'm going to poke a hole in the styrofoam, and then I'm going to insert a wooden dowel. Again, you can get the wooden dowel pretty much at any craft store, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Amazon. My favorite sizes for smaller lollipops are going to be the 3/16 of an inch, or the 1/8 or possibly 1/4 of an inch for the wooden dowel. Next, I'm just taking some Mod Podge, and I'm going to just cover the top, bottom, and sides with that. And the glitter I'm going to be using is from Michaels. It's called Glitz. It's just a white glitter, but it has opalescent sparkles in it. After that first coat of Mod Podge and glitter dries completely, I go ahead and add another coat of Mod Podge to seal in the glitter. Now I'm just taking some opalescent cellophane. You can get that at Hobby Lobby, Amazon, maybe Walmart, it just depends. But it's in just rolls, just like wrapping paper, and this size that I've cut is a little too big. I would recommend something like a 12 by 15, depending on the size of your lollipop. And you just wrap it just like a lollipop, hold it tight. And then I'm going to use a clear elastic rubber band, which again, you can get at Walmart, Amazon, Target. And I'm just gonna wrap that around it. Now, you don't have to do this. This is just an extra step I do, but I take a heat gun. This is just a Black & Decker heat gun. I got it at Home Depot, and I'm just using it to tighten the cellophane around the lollipop. Finally, I'm just cutting the end off because, like I said, I made it a little bit too big, so I'm just going to shorten that tail on the lollipop. There it is, all trimmed, and I want to show you all displayed. Now, if you aren't crafty, or if you don't want to go and buy all the materials and make them yourself, these are available in my shop. It's Glam Candy Boutique on Etsy. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe. It means the world to me. Thank you.